Welcome everyone to today's lesson where we will be talking about units of information. Now, units of information is under the chapter of data representation. So if you want to find out more on this, you can just look at the chapter on data representation. Units in this case is talking about how much. So you might have heard the term in the past, units of water. It's talking about how much water there is somewhere. So in this case, we're talking about units of data, of information inside of a computer and how it's stored. So to start off with, we have to understand, and if you watched the binary videos already, you should remember that a computer cannot communicate something less than a 0 or a 1. So a 0 or a 1 is the smallest amount of information that a computer can communicate. So this is the smallest unit. All right, and this is called a bit, like so. Now bit stands for, hopefully you guessed it, binary digit. Okay, so we take the B from the term binary and the IT from the word digit, and we get this word or this term bit. So a 0 or a 1 is called a bit, and it is represented by the lowercase b. So for example, if you write 4b like this, then you are referring to 4 zeros and ones, for example 0, 1, 1, 0, like that. Now just to put this a little bit more into perspective, let's say this is the surface of your hard disk drive, and you have this split into individual magnets, which are north, south, doesn't really matter. Let's say for this example, we can match north to 1 and south to 0. Well, if we wanted to store this unit of information right here onto this magnet, then it would take exactly one magnet to store it. So it would be north, like so. If we wanted to take these 4 bits over here and store them on this magnet, then we would have south, north, north, and south. So as you can see, one individual unit of data takes up one individual magnet on your hard disk drive. So this is the smallest amount of information that the computer can communicate and can store. It is called a bit, which is derived from the term or the word binary digit, and it is represented by the lowercase b.